Welcome to our lesson 9, and today we will check, verify and use outputs responsibly. The goal of this lesson is to teach you how safely, professionally and realistically use ChatGPT. Please remember, verification is a part of the workflow. A good ChatGPT workflow always includes verification. This matters especially in agriculture, where recommendations may affect crops, animals, money, compliance, or safety. Let's look at what to verify first. Always verify hard facts, calculations, chemical or regulatory statements, disease-related context, and anything that could create real-world harm if wrong. The more important the decision, the more careful the checking should be. And now let's look at practical verification. So this is a powerful prompt. Ask ChatGPT to reveal its assumptions. That often helps you to identify where local context is missing and where you need human review. This is another useful prompt. It encourages the model to show uncertainty rather than just confidence. That helps users adopt a more responsible mindset. And now let's look at the best use cases. The safest and the strongest use cases are drafting, structuring, training, communication, summarizing, comparing, and planning. Those areas benefit greatly from AI assistance without requiring blind trust. If the output affects safety, legality, compliance, plant health, animal welfare, or major financial decisions, do not stop at ChatGPT. Use it as a starting point, not the final checkpoint.